The Potensic ATOM SE is a lightweight, beginner-focused drone designed for those who want long flight sessions without breaking the bank. It offers a compact frame and a complete battery bundle to keep you in the air longer. Check the link in the description for the best price. We look at how this drone performs across key flying scenarios. The GPS systems ensure the drone stays locked in place, providing a safety net for those learning how to pilot. Having multiple batteries ready to go means you can practice maneuvers or explore areas for much longer without needing a digital stabilization works to smooth out basic vibrations, but it can struggle to maintain a perfectly fluid look during faster. The motors are capable enough to handle standard outdoor breezes, but the drone is really optimized for controlled, steady flight. This drone excels at providing plenty of airtime for practice, though the image stabilization is. Analyzing whether the package provides real value for your wallet. You get a lot of essential hardware, including brushless motors and reliable GPS, which is often hard to find at. The brand has built a solid reputation for offering consistent firmware updates and a user experience that is far more. When comparing what is included in the box versus what rivals offer, the value proposition here remains very strong for. The total value here is high, specifically because the included batteries and charging hub remove what you need to know about potential drawbacks or limitations. The construction is surprisingly robust, offering a durable feel that can handle the occasional rough landing during the learning phase. General flight operations are very dependable, though it is always good practice to ensure your mobile device and firmware are. The application interface gets the job done, although it does not feel quite as refined as the high-end software found. While it is a safe drone to fly, users should be aware that it lacks sensors. If you are starting out and value flight time above all else, this drone is a practical choice. While it doesn't provide the cinematic smoothness of a mechanical gimbal, the reliability and the inclusive battery package make it a standout for practice.